Hello friends, how are you all? This is Vijay Kumar, my new classroom activity based English teaching channel where you can have all your lessons, grammar topics and writing skill section. These days we are studying idioms where I have already given you 9 videos with 85 idioms in those. You can go to description for their links. Today I am here with these 10 idioms. We go for 86th one. A bed of roses which life is not. Life is not a bed of roses. I remember John Keats once said, a situation that is comfortable and pleasant, a bed of roses. Making money is not a bed of roses, children. So wake up early and go to work. You know just to spend, but it is not a bed of roses. Ask your dad to earn money. Up in the air. Up in the air means still to be settled, which is unresolved. There are so many issues between her and me. Up in the air. The future of the project is still up in the air as the management has failed to finalize the budget. We don't know they are going to issue budget for it or not. The matter is up in the air, unresolved. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. सही जगह पर चोट करो. लोहा गर्म है, मार दो हथौड़ा. याद आया? Do or say exactly the right thing. You really hit the nail on the head with that answer. Good job. This is the sentence. Use it in the sentence. These idioms. 89th में देखिए. You live and you learn. जिंदगी के साथ आप सीखते हो, अनुभव से आप सीखते हो. You learn from your mistakes. Who is your best teacher? Your last mistake is your best teacher. Yeah, I had no idea they were related. Oh well, you live and learn. अब मुझे पता लगा कि वे तो संबंधित थे, वे जुड़े हुए थे. Hit the hay और hit the sack. 89th में देखिए. Go to bed in order to sleep. Go to bed in order to sleep. I am really tired after all that exercise. I am going to hit the sack. 90 में देखिए. Long time no see. Hello friends. Oh, how are you Pranav? Long time no see. कितने दिनों बाद मिले हैं. A greeting used by people who haven't seen each other for a long time is called long time no see. आपको आपका दोस्त बहुत दिनों बाद मिले तो आप कहिए wow, long time no see. Hey Reena, long time no see. How have you been? कैसे रहे तुम इन दिनों? कहाँ रहे? ठीक है. 91 में देखिए. When pigs fly, यानी कि जो कभी होगा ही नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. Something that will never happen is called when pigs fly. I asked my boss if I could go on a 2 months vacation. He said yes when pigs fly. हाँ हाँ चले जाना, जब सुअर उड़ने लगेंगे तो तुम भी चले जाना. मीन्स कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. I think he will pay you back your money when pigs fly. 92 देखिए. Turn a blind eye. Turn a blind कि किसी को to ignore something, someone. The trade was illegal but the government turned a blind eye. देखिए न्यूज़पेपर में अक्सर होता है ये तो idiom use. 93 देखिए. Burn the midnight oil means to work late night. To work late into the night. जैसे लैंटर्न में पढ़ना है, किसी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे हो, दिन रात एक कर देना. दिस इज कॉल्ड बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल. इट्स very hard assignment and I had to burn the midnight oil to get it completed on time. These videos on idioms, I had to work, I had to burn the midnight oil and prepare this video. 94 देखिए आप. Caught red-handed. Caught red-handed, रंगे हाथों पकड़ना. Caught in the act of doing something wrong. चोर को रंगे हाथ पकड़ लेना. Caught रेड हैंडेड, क्लर्क को रिश्वत लेते पकड़ लेना, caught रेड हैंडेड, he was jailed after cops caught him red handed, उसको जेल हुई। एंड लास्ट वन, एवरी नूक एंड कॉर्नर, कोने कोने में देखो, चप्पे चप्पे पे, टू लुक फॉर समथिंग एवरीवेयर, टू सर्च इन एवरी प्लेस इज कॉल्ड every nook and corner. Great idiom. They searched every nook and corner of the house for the golden ring. ठीक है children, it should be enough in this video, these 10 idioms. I am coming with 10 more idioms in my 11th video. Those will be serial number 96 to 105, and click this button, it will take you there. Come, I am waiting. See you. Bye bye.